Good evening, everybody, and very happy 63rd Republic Day of Bharat. A small formality has been assigned to me to introduce my ex-colleague at IIT Delhi, Professor Subramanian Swamy, who to my mind, to this audience or to anyone in the country or in the globe needs any introduction. For two reasons, as I understand. If anyone is the real architect of the liberalization in this country, the basic thought emanated from the 1948 industrial policy crafted by the most brilliant person, Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee, and it was Dr. Subramanian Swamy who thought at that time when he was in the ministry that something should be done to this country because he has the pleasure of being the student of Professor Paul Samuelson, one of the ardent and most read economist across the globe, one of the finest Nobel laureates in economics. Unfortunately for me, when I joined IIT Delhi, Professor Swamy was out from the portals from IIT Delhi at that time. When I left IIT Delhi, he joined back for a short stint IIT Delhi. He has been a product. There is another coincidence. I was thinking how I am put together with him, that I started my career from University of Delhi and to my neighbor college, that is Hindu College, he was a student for his graduation. And Hindu College is known for producing very brilliant scientists, economists, historians, and politicians. Of them, Professor Subramanian Swamy is one of the legends. Professor Swamy was born on 15 September 1939 in Chennai, and his name has been spelled like my name in multiple ways. In November 1978, he was invited to join the UNCTAD on economic cooperation between developing countries. That was the time when non-alignment movement, self-reliance, and assertion of the emerging economies was felt in the academic world and political world. I'll call him professor because that is what I like about him. He turned to the politics as an offshoot of revered late Sri Jayaprakash Narayanji's movement, which to begin was a political movement, but gave rise to the then Janata Party. He had been before that on the upper house of the parliament, that is what we call as Lok Sabha. He has been elected 5 times between 1974 to 1999 and twice represented the city of Mumbai North East during 77 and 1980, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu in parliament. During the period of emergency, I do not know how many people know this incident, he changed his attire and became a Sardarji, as I was told. And this, the security of the parliament, signed the muster roll of the parliamentarians and was out of the parliament. Nobody could notice. He was only bewildered when he was sitting in the taxi, if this story is correct. The Sardarji asked, "Saab sajje baje?" Then he got bewildered. God was on his side, and whatever he said was the right direction. When you are right, God is on your side. Professor Swamy has been on the faculty of Harvard University and has taught his courses. One of his courses was recently taken out from the list, and it was international news. He has taught economics in summer sessions in Harvard until 2011. In December 2011, this course was removed by the faculty of Harvard. He has been on the governing board of IIT Delhi from 77 to 80, and he has been on the council of IITs from 80 to 82. As minister, we all know the contribution that he has made. And outside the parliament, as of today, the 2G scam and 3G scam, what is the dimension, who are the players of that drama, is slowly being unfolded. With these words, on behalf of the MS University of Baroda and organizers of the Yugantar, I welcome you, sir, to the portals of MS University.